Ang daming sale sa Walmart. Ito maganda. Tingnan mo. 14 pesos. My gosh. A rainbow set. It's only $5. Bottle drops. They won't last long. Huh, what do you mean? Oh yeah. Hindi man dash. Water your way. $79. All the salmon is product of China. My favorite fish, I didn't realize it's made in China. This one. Daddy, can you come here? Well, I don't really have a choice. I really want a salmon, but oh, see, but it's so guaranteed with quality, but made in China. But you know, it's in the ocean, guys. Ayan, I'm gonna have a Walmart haul.
What?
Dang, $78. This one is only na $9.99, right? For work, bag for work. Kasi kailangan see-through. Billy, I got nothing for you. And then, this is my favorite hanger. It's for something. Velvet hanger. Because, you know, the advertises, because it's like, you know, you have more space. Because, see, look, it will stick together.
How about that?
The next grocery, I'm gonna buy 2 more. So I got it's into this. Yeah, that's that. And then I got no videos, so I'm gonna do whole. This is no sugar, Mark cereal.
No sugar.
This is supposed not.
Bland old people cereal. No flavor.
This one. And then
Flavor, no sugar, no nothing.
milk. I'm gonna throw away the old milk. I'm gonna throw away the old one. On the second. No, I won't. I'll throw that away. And then hamburger bun for Mark. This tortilla. He likes to snack with that with cheese. Kasi guys, pag weekdays, tamad ako magluto for him. We have a salmon, my favorite, but it's made in China, but it's okay. I'm not gonna die just because it's made in China. Nothing to be. Crackers, market paste. It's always cheap to shop at Walmart. Tomato. Ang importante kasi, we just went there to buy tomato and milk and tortillas, and we end up buying a lot of things. We end up $79, $80. Expensive. And then onions. Yeah. Yung onions, lagay ko siya sa fridge kasi madali masira sa labas. And then, saan na yung since hindi na siya kain ng pork, ito yung turkey bacon. Regular cheese, tortilla cheese, yun ang sabon ni Mark, Irish spray. And then where else? And that's about it for my $80.